and had been sensitized like anything with the disparity in the services. There were above 14 lakh government and public sector undertaking employees in the state. By the ratio, the Telangana people are supposed to get about 6 lakh, wherein now we could find only 1,30,000. This is the disparity going on. This is the paradigm we are facing. And on the front of irrigation, we were known to have 22,000 tanks at the beginning of this century, wherein by the time of amalgamation of Hyderabad state into this unusable, unpracticable United Andhra Pradesh, there were the recording of irrigation under tanks to the tune of 4,35,000 hectares. But now, as for the figures of 2010, that has come down to 2 lakh hectares. This was the tragedy. This is going on. And the irrigation of Telangana is just dependent on borewells. Almost 70% of the irrigation agriculture is just dependent on the thoroughly deepened, more than 300 feet deepened borewells, which is consequently depending on the non-available electricity. For want of electricity, there were sacrifices. You could hear from parts of Telangana about the suicides of farmers, about the suicides of weavers. This is a situation all across agrarian and artisan class in Telangana. If I go on mentioning, there will be endless story. This is Telangana tale is a saga of broken promises, broken reports, unadhered assurances, swallowed surpluses,
there should not be any problem.
thorough discrimination, and with all these things, always it is injury as well as insult. This is going on and going on. For this, with this complete understanding, with the complete comprehension of the ground realities existing in Telangana region, Indian National Congress was magnanimous to take the measure, to study it in deep. It has constituted a subcommittee of Congress Working Committee. 2 minutes I will take. I will take only 2 minutes. Yes. I will take just 2 minutes. It has constituted, and we have been into the records. We have been into the study, and after deepened, complete comprehension, the national leadership of Congress Party led by Honorable Congress President, UPA Chairperson, Srimati Sonia Ji Gandhi, arrived at that there is no other go just to form the separate state of Telangana. The efforts are on, but intermittently there were no clear space, there is no clear assurance, there is no clarity of assurance. The main opposition party, I am standing from the plenary benches, the main opposition party, even after continuous requests from the then subcommittee of UPA, denied and refused to give a sheet of paper to the UPA subcommittee. It was their stand. I appreciate Prakash Javadekar ji, I appreciate Vajibov, but at the same time, such was the situation. The last that is right. But with all these things, we expect, we are pressurizing our national leadership, we are pressurizing the national leadership in the National Congress, we are pressurizing our Honorable Congress President, that even if you delay for an hour in separation of Telangana, it will be denial and loss to the people, not only to the people of Telangana, but also to the importance and the constitutional Republic of Indian Union. That was what we are always mentioning before our leadership. But as it is, Friday resolutions, Raat gayi, baat gayi. But it is not Raat gayi, baat gayi. We are taking very seriously. That is why even for the resolution moved by